Guardian, what should I eat?
Let me check it out. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Fruit and yogurt salad. Grape. Pear. Banana. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Banana enables you to poop easily and prevents getting fat. Slide to cut the ingredients. Lettuce enables you to poop easily, and it is also rich in vitamin C. A cup of yogurt a day keeps you healthy and fit. Juicy and sweet fruits will sweeten your smile. Mashed potatoes with corned beef. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Steam the potatoes first. Let's mash the potatoes. Corn is indeed healthy food. Drag the scissor to slice the beef. Potatoes could refill your energy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. Healthy food is so tasty. Thank you, Miss Guardian. Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the health guardian.